Diversifying your revenue streams is advantageous when considering the best approaches to developing a financial cushion and overcoming reliance on any one income stream. This entails having many streams of income generated by various profitable investments or assets. An asset is a monetary resource that an individual, organization, or country owns or manages in the expectation of reaping future rewards. Now, cash is a safe asset, but it is a terrible one to keep owing to inflation. So to help you decide which asset to keep, we will show the top must-have assets that are better than cash for accumulating wealth and achieving financial security in this video. Join us to hear about the assets that can assist you in achieving financial independence. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. Without further ado, here is the list of the must-have assets that will make you rich. Our primary asset is land. Land is an appreciating asset for two basic reasons. Every year, the world's population grows tremendously, and there is only a finite amount of area available for living and use. As a result, the most fundamental economic principle of supply and demand states that the value of land will eventually rise as demand for the finite asset develops. The question is not about whether land will value, but how much. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in land right now is the benefits it brings to investment portfolios in terms of diversification. Investors are increasing their land portfolios to protect themselves from market dangers because returns are often consistent and have a low connection with other asset classes. Number 2, stocks. Stocks are securities that represent a portion of a company's ownership in the hopes that the company will grow and profit. Because most firm portfolios are strongly weighted in equities, which are more elastic, stocks remain resilient during periods of inflation and big conflicts or disasters. Investing in the stock market is a long-term endeavor. A good rule of thumb is to diversify your investment portfolio by investing in multiple businesses to guarantee that a downturn in one field does not wipe out your entire portfolio. Index funds. Now, index funds, which track a benchmark index, such as the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100, are another alternative. When you invest in an index fund, your money is dispersed across all of the companies that comprise the index, providing you with a more diverse portfolio than if you purchased individual equities. Number 3, real estate. Despite rising interest rates, real estate remains one of the strongest small business and personal investment opportunities accessible. Now, real estate is an excellent investment in asset. Investing, owning, managing, and finally selling up investment property is a solid bet. Real estate, like land, always appreciates with time. In addition, real estate can be used for commercial, residential, industrial, or special purposes, and is commonly used to establish social amenities. Property ownership provides stable income through monthly rental payments, as well as generational wealth, because it is a tangible asset that can be passed down from generation to generation. Now, speaking of generational wealth, you can watch our previous video entitled Building a Legacy: Proven Ways to Create Generational Wealth. In that video, we offer tried and true methods for building and growing your wealth so that it can be passed down from generation to generation. So, Make sure you check that out. Number 4. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that are taking the world by storm as more and more people gravitate toward them. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was valued at around $30,000 as of mid-May 2022 for one coin. Bitcoin is getting more valuable due to its decentralized nature and limited availability. Altcoins, which are coins other than Bitcoin, such as Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot to mention a few, are also worth investing in. Digital currencies are gradually being adopted and recognized by governments, as seen by US President Joe Biden's signing of an executive order to investigate the environmental impact of mining digital currencies, and to establish legislation to limit their use by criminals, terrorists, and others. Number 5. Art. Have you ever pondered why the wealthy purchase art? It is not because they like the product, though many do. According to the Wall Street Journal, the art market is one of the hottest markets on the planet, with modern art prices outperforming the S&P by 174% from 1995 to 2020. It also has a low correlation to any major asset class, making it an excellent diversification tool in one's portfolio. Furthermore, the total wealth stored in art is estimated to be $1.7 trillion, with Deloitte projecting a $900 billion increase by 2026. The only issue with the art business is its high entry hurdle. Number 6. NFTs. This is a controversial and contested item. Few people know its worth, value, or even utility. Nonetheless, some of these NFTs have sold for thousands and millions of dollars. Non-fungible tokens have grown in popularity as a lucrative investment option. Many artistic and innovative items are now selling for extravagant prices, with small entrepreneurs, craftspeople, and painters generating millions of dollars. Now, some of the incredible artwork sold for $11.75 million from a starting offer of $2 million. Among the most well-known NFT collections are Bored Ape Yacht Club, Doodles, and CryptoPunks, to name a few. Number 7. Precious metals. This includes gold, silver, and platinum. Prior to the current fiat monetary system, most currencies were backed by these precious metals. For several centuries, the globe used the gold standard, which allowed individuals to instantly exchange their money for gold. A gold standard country sets a fixed price for gold and purchases and sells it at that price. The specified price established the monetary value. This technique was known as representative money, but it was discontinued following the Great Depression. These metals are valuable. However, since they are produced in limited quantities each year, scarcity determines their worth. Before we proceed, if you want to learn more about how to manage your wealth, we share some skills that will help you enjoy life. Watch our video entitled Money Skills Everyone Must Know. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 8. Vintage car. Vintage car collecting is getting increasingly fashionable. Now, can you envision your classic muscle car, German coupe, or British roadster being your weekend cruiser and earning you money? Many other investment types such as collectibles, art, furniture, and jewelry have outperformed antique cars. However, if you have the right automobile and the right customer, antique cars can be a terrific investment. Number 9. Luxury items. From high-end watches and jewelry to the most costly wines and spirits, luxury and unusual items are a valuable asset. However, these investments necessitate a substantial amount of knowledge in order to select pieces that will offer you a fair return. most celebs are undoubtedly spotted wearing flashy Rolex watches, Patek watches, and Hermes Birkin bags. These valuable works are part of their extensive portfolios. Number 10. Bonds. Bonds are a terrific technique for generating money. A bond is essentially a promissory note. It permits you to lend money to enterprises, state, federal, and municipal governments. Bonds provide investors with much-needed stability in the face of volatility, and are a typically stable financial instrument that is usually used to balance a portfolio, especially when compared to the volatility of other assets such as equities. It provides long-term investment options with set income and can provide investors with a constant cash flow. So which of these assets have you tried to grow your wealth with? Please let us know in the comments. And before we go, keep in mind that selecting one or more portfolios is dependent on research, preference, and your financial advisor. Investing in income-generating assets or assets that create cash flow is a method utilized by many successful people. So what are you waiting for? Invest now! That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!